We're on the Honda Prelude here, and we're changing out the alternator belt. Of course, you have a couple screws here. This one you need to loosen up, and then you got one main screw that goes through the bottom of it to where you can raise it up, loosen it. Actually, we moved this power steering pump out the way a little bit so we can get this belt in here. We're going to go ahead and install that back on. Alright, so we're going to fish this bolt right around down here, this area. Alright, so we end up having to take off this bolt to get this bracket off, and then get that bracket around. There's a back screw back there. So now,
it'd be better probably just
as we
get more room to work with.
As we tighten this, it'll stiffen up the belt. Alright, so we're getting in this top alternator bolt. So we got the skinny and a 14, I believe. Getting that one in. Just gotta come out this back side over here. And we already got the belt on. And we'll be good with this.